What you cannot achieve in this city cannot be achieved in any other city. What you cannot achieve on this earth cannot be achieved anywhere. What you cannot achieve in this life cannot be achieved in any other life. Om. Namaste. Hope all are very happy having completed 18 steps of Kriya Kundalini awakening. Most of you will be feeling your Kundalini has been awakened. Most of you are feeling very blissful, very happy. All these 12 months or 13 months have lapsed very fast, bringing lot of happiness within and without ourselves. But the real fact is, Kundalini has not been awakened so far. We have not made any such attempt as of now. Then what we were doing all these days? We were only culturing our body, our mind and our soul. Until unless we culture the soil, we till the soil, the land, we cannot seed for a better crop. All these days, what Mahavatar Babaji gave us is only to throw away majority of our dirt and dust accumulated within us, all toxins, the pain, much of the sufferings, much of the ignorance, much of the vengeance, much of the anger, much of the ignorance, much of the enmity, many such things. We had come to a realization to some extent. Now from today, we are going to complete the essence, the importance of raising the Kundalini. In practical sense, we are going to do. Again, we are going to bring some more understanding. Now the land acquisition has happened. All litigations have gone. Now we will have to find the path, find the instruments, find the via media, find which circle, which square, which petals, which nadi, which chakra can carry our energy to the ultimate of the ultimate. All those who are joining now with thorough focus, with total awareness, will come with us in the journey of awakening Kundalini little later. Before that, we will complete and have total knowledge, the very crucial knowledge on the chakras. Without knowing any basic of chakras, it will be very dangerous for us to awaken the Kundalini. Namaste. You cannot see anything in troubled water if something is fallen. If the water is not calm, we cannot find anything. The moment the water is calm, it will be very clearer and we will be able to search what has been lost in the water. Whether it is Adhyatmika or spiritual life, Bhautika or material way of life, Dharmika or religious way of life, Laukika or worldly life, whatever it may be, you must have focus. One has to have focus. You must have clarity. For this, one must have peace of mind. Once the mind is calm, the mind is clear like the water, then everything falls before you. One will succeed and excel in whichever field you are there or one will succeed and excel in whichever field they choose. Aksharamala Dhyana helps you to reinvent your life. Get initiated into Aksharamala Dhyana and reinvent your life. All the very best. So please view this video very attentively, take it very serious, then only you can follow. Now we will talk about, there are Shat Chakras. Shat Chakras means 6 chakras. Mooladhara Chakra with 4 petals, Swadhisthana Chakra with 6 petals, Manipura Chakra with 10 petals, Anahata Chakra with 12 petals, Vishuddhi or Vishuddha Chakra with 16 petals, and Agna Chakra with 2 petals. All put together 50 petals are there. You can see each petal having Sanskrit letters. There is another chakra called Sahasrara Chakra, Sahasradala Chakra. This particular chakra has got 1000 petals. Exactly not 1000, little more than 1000, but it is called Sahasradala Chakra. All the 50 alphabets of Sanskrit, the Devanagari, are inside this Sahasrara. Now the Kundalini is rising from Mooladhara Chakra to Sahasrara Chakra. But for our understanding, we are not going in this route. I wanted to differ. I wanted to take first the Sahasrara Chakra. We will come from the top. We will understand the importance of Sahasrara Chakra. Until we know the importance, the power, the sacredness of this particular Sahasrara or Sahasradala Chakra, then the interest on Kundalini awakening may be slightly reduced. That is the reason I want you to first understand Sahasradala Chakra. When you know the seat of God, it is easy to understand the seat of a beggar, or it is easy to understand the seat of a common man. That is the reason. Come, let us go and understand. The Sahasrara Chakra is the chief of all the chakras. It is also called Sahasradala Padma Chakra. It is the Simhasana of Lord Shiva. It is equal to or corresponding to Satyaloka. We have earlier in the video somewhere discussed the 7 lokas. They are Bhuloka, Borloka, Suvarloka, Maharloka, Gnanaloka, Tapaloka and Satyaloka. When come from the Bhuloka corresponds to Mooladhara Chakra. Borloka corresponds to Swadhisthana Chakra. Likewise, Suvarloka corresponds to Manipura Chakra. Maharloka corresponds to Anahata Chakra. Vishuddha corresponds to Gnanaloka. Tapaloka is connected or corresponds to Agna Chakra. Satyaloka corresponds to Sahasrara Chakra. The Bhuloka is the place where the common man resides, the earth. Satyaloka, as the name gives, it is a place where the truth alone can stay. Nothing other than truth, nothing other than void can stay there in the Satyaloka. And it is the abode or Simhasana of Lord Shiva. Here, what we will have to understand is 2 important things. That which is going to determine whether you want to awaken the Kundalini or not. Because the reason is, we are still in avidya, not in vidya. That which is not adding to our knowledge is avidya. Please understand. We will have to here create a very clear distinction between Vidya and Avidya. Otherwise, those who remain in Muladhara Chakra will remain in Muladhara Chakra, not in this birth, in all the births to come. It is a golden chance given to us that we have become disciple of Mahavatar Babaji. It is a double golden chance given to us. We are learning something about Kriya Kundalini. It is triple golden chance that it is coming to us in a golden plate. We should not miss it. If one has not seen all the 18 steps of KKA or KKJ, no issues. Still you have time. Just spend some time, go through and come back and join us. Those who join will get the heaven itself, or they'll continue to live blissfully in heaven. The videos are available on YouTube. Please go, click. What you cannot achieve in this city cannot be achieved in any other city. What you cannot achieve on this earth cannot be achieved anywhere. What you cannot achieve in this life cannot be achieved in any other life is the reality. We are born with ease, but we only inherited disease. We are born with courage. We inherited fear. We are born as good, but we have become bad. We are born with 37 trillion cells of high energy intelligence, but we have become ignorant. We are born with contentment, but we carry miseries. See the pathetic condition. We are born with pleasure. Unfortunate, we are carrying pain. We are born with all the power because we have got 37 trillion intelligence with us, but we have become powerless. We are born rich. We continue to be poor. We have been endowed with sleep by birth itself, but most of the people around us, many times including us, suffer from insomnia, sleeplessness. When we took birth, there was no one crying, all were happy. So we are born with happiness, but we continue to carry sorrow. We have not to come here to struggle. We are here to make truce, but we continue to struggle. We are born as a truth, a child of truth, but we falsify everything. And finally, we are born wealthy, but we are in poverty. What is the reason? A question is asked. Recently, we have asked a question. We are yet to find answer for that. The Mooladhara chakra is the base chakra, which is near the anus. The Sahasrara chakra is just above the crown of our head. When the Kundalini rises and goes and joins with Lord Shiva, when the Kundalini Devi, Vasuki, joins the Shiva, the sadhaka, the native, the yogi or the yogins or the sannyasis or the yoga practitioner enjoys bliss and be in Paramananda. There will be no miseries, no sorrow, no pain or no struggle. And the yogins or the sadhakas or the natives will be free from all such misery, sorrow, pain or struggle, and they will be totally free from such things. Understand? See in the next video. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. ओम सद्गुरु बाबाजी नमः। ओम सद्गुरु बाबाजी नमः।